Hey, so today we're doing what's called this one's called a boomerang. Here's what the author, David Embury, has to say. The ingredients in this drink are all excellent, but the drink itself violates practically every principle of cocktail mixing. It is given here as a horrible example of what not to do. So it's a great example of what to do? Double negatives, David. Double negatives. So I'm making multiple drinks today. So I'm just using a gigantic glass because it's parts and then adding a little dash of stuff to the end for a drink. So, first is 1 part passion fruit. And I think it's supposed to be not liqueur, but like, why not make it a liqueur? And then 1 part gin. And then 1 part white rum. This still might be a little out of control for several people.
Not right.
Ice.
Oh, that's where you're standing?
Oh, god dang.
Nice.
Alright, so you'll hear voices in the background. This is
I didn't do this.
very cute and pink. And to each drink you add a dash of lemon juice, so probably that seems fine, and a dash of bitters. Pop, pop, pop. I got that all over my arm. So we're gonna all try this.
What was it called? A boomerang?
It's boomerang, yeah.
Boomerang.
Good memory.
Ooh, it came back to me. Ha! I'm a fucking brilliant person.
I mean,
Wow.
whoa, buddy!
Whoa!
It is pretty good.
It's quite tasty.
Right.
Passion
Yes.
fruit?
Yeah, anything with that passion fruit.
Yes, I
Oh!
was passionate about that.
Yeah, but then the aftertaste. The front end's bad. The back
front end
end's
is so
good.
harsh and the back end's delightful.
Agreed.
I want the whole thing to taste like after I've
The after.
swallowed it. Yeah. Which
Okay.
means I should probably just drink passion fruit juice.
This would be good too with like fizzy water.
Oh,
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Most passion fruit stuff is better if you just throw in like some seltzer. Oh, yeah, do it. Go. No,
it,
that
do
one.
it.
The
No,
red
that
one. The red one.
Yeah, you don't want to mix weird flavors.
I think it's not empty. Oh yeah, dude.
All right.
San Pellegrino. Very good.
Stamp of approval.
Anyways, give it a shot. Like and subscribe, or not, whatever. Do what you want, and have a good day.
Smash that subscribe button.
That's making it in.
What she said.